It's not a cry you can hear at night. It's not someone who sees.
Hey guys, I am at Clarke Quay. This is one of the riverside place in Singapore which is known for its Singapore River. So what you are seeing right now is the Singapore River, and these are the boats which take you all across the river from end to end. So you can just go in these rivers and in these boats and enjoy the river view. You can look at the Clarke Quay board over there, and there are a lot of restaurants at this place where you can go eat, enjoy. This place is known for its river and nightlife, especially for pubs. Oh my god, that boat, it is looking so beautiful. They have dressed the boat in the lights and people are already going in that. I might go into that because I love water and boat and everything. So I am at this point where you see Riverside Point, and this is a well-known bridge which is called Clarke Quay Bridge. People used to come and sit here for drinking overnight, but now that's banned in Singapore, so people cannot sit and drink in public places after 10:30 p.m. And now since it's night, the lights are on and you can see the boats, different kind of lighted boats here. That's the beauty about this place. And even the bridge and the water and the cool breeze right now, it's quite cool, so it's nice. So I'm walking towards the bridge so that I can look out for some restaurants to eat. So it's a Friday evening and I'm just at the Clarke Quay. So I'll just show you the bridge and locations around. I hope you guys enjoy my Friday vlog.
Wes, are you sober? Are you already almost there?
Guy or this artist, he's trying to get inside the balloon. Oh my god, look at him. He's just inside the balloon completely. Such a big balloon, and now he's removing his shoes. He's removing his shoes and he's just getting inside that huge balloon. Wow, what an art. And now he's standing inside the balloon. This is like awesome. And he's trying to jump or dance or rotate inside the balloon. Oh my god, this is happening, and he's just doing it for some money. You see, it's written on the box, money for the artist, thank you. And he's just entertaining people on Friday night at Clarke Quay. Oh my god, he just came outside the balloon and look at his expressions. He's so cute, he's smiling. And my husband just gave little money inside that box that he didn't want me to film because he says no need to film that. Anyway, so oh my god, the balloon is totally out of the air and this guy is completely inside the box now. Oh, look at him, he's just rolling inside the empty air balloon. And I don't know how is he going to come out of the box now. Oh my god, he is just completely stuck inside the balloon. So I'm just walking around the restaurants or the pub area. This is the most happening place in Clarke Quay where you have all the pubs and restaurants. This is the beauty of Singapore, you know, it's awesome, beautiful, and it's mostly like night life. You can see and enjoy everything here. My baby is just eating the lollipop because he is not sitting at one place, so we have to give him sugar to keep him quiet until the food comes, and he's enjoying it because he's got it after a long time. What is this?
This is wine.
Which one?
Which wine? This is white wine. This is Sauvignon Blanc.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
कोई तो खाना आएगा. So I just got bhatti chicken. We have ordered bhatti chicken for the main course, and that's the white wine. And this is like bhatti chicken that they cook in bhatti. It's like chicken cooked in what do you say, tandoor. And then they have lemon salad. What is bhatti?
It's a type of tandoor, but not really the deep tandoor. But bhatti is more like a chula type.
Yeah, so it's kind of chula type of tandoor, but it's basically a grilled
The concept
tandoor.
is similar.
So we have got aloo kulcha for my son because he likes aloo paratha. So we got him kulcha, and this guy just had tandoor. My baby also ate chicken, and now we have given him kulcha. So this is the kulcha for him, and we have ordered some chicken gravy. This is called rara chicken, and we have got usual butter naan for us for the main course. And my baby is just getting very naughty, so he's just standing on the baby chair, so we have to control. I'll just show you the ambience of the restaurant. We are sitting here at the center, and we are just done with the dinner, and so my husband is just paying the check. And then you can look at the restaurant kitchen. That's where they do tandoor and do basically the cooking. And then there are other chairs around. This is how it looks. It's just in the Clarke Quay, so it's like the center of the city, so it's quite expensive one because usually people come here on Friday nights, and that's what it is. But it's fun. Even if you are with a baby, you can come down to Clarke Quay, enjoy everything. This is the restaurant bar. If you want to look how beautiful it is looking, oh my god, awesome. So that's what it is, and my baby is just playing with the light with his dad. They both are just stepping on the floor light. There is a light on the floor, so you can just hide the light. So this is how it is. This is fountain and everything here at the Clarke Quay Friday night, and it's very crowded. People usually just come back here from office, and sometimes some people go home and then they come here and just enjoy their weekend. Singapore is very interesting if you know how you want to spend your time. Say bye, good night. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Okay, so I just wanted to go home, but I just found this ice cream guy, which I'm not sure if I have vlogged in the past, but I have vlogged. This one is ice cream shop where this gives the ice cream in very interesting way. He just doesn't give you the ice cream very easily. You have to pay, but the way he offers the ice cream is very different, so you just enjoy how he's giving it. He will just tease you before he actually gives you the ice cream in your hand, not very easily. Just look at that, he's giving the empty cones, but he's not giving you the actual ice cream. He'll just play around with you before he actually offers you the ice cream. So that's the beauty about this one. I really love to have ice cream from this shop, and people usually enjoy how it is. So I'm going to have the traditional Singapore ice cream. This is called the Waltz ice cream. This is how the whole stall is, and what I'm going to have today is the chocolate cone, but there are different options you can choose from. Basically the most famous one is the bread one, but I'm going to take the chocolate one today. So this is the chocolate cone ice cream that I got, but the usual one is the bread one that I will show you guys later in some other video. And this is the awesome night view, very light and colorful, and that's my husband and my baby walking around. Oh god, I'm coughing. Anyways guys, bye, good night. I love you guys so much.